वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, आज के टॉपिक में हम स्टडी करेंगे डाइवर्सिटी अमंग एनिमल्स. द वर्ड एनिमल इज derived फ्रॉम द Latin word anima, which means soul or breathe. And if we talk about the classification, then we have vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates have backbone, which include fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals. Invertebrates don't have backbone. These include Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelida, Mollusca, Arthropoda, Chordata. We have different phylums of invertebrates. First of all, we will discuss about Platyhelminthes. These are triblastic and it don't have any circulatory system or respiratory system. Digestive system is developed in free living organisms, and the muscular layers are present which helps in locomotion, and the organs of these are hermaphrodite. Fertilization is internal, and the most common member is the planaria, liver fluke, and tapeworm. Then phylum Annelida. These are the most common example is Nereis, and these are triploblastic or bilateral. These are coelomates, and digestive system is well developed. Excretory system is metamorphically arranged. Nephridia open through nephridopore. And then phylum Echinodermata. These have triploblastic symmetry. These are coelomates. Vascular tube feet also used for locomotion, and these have the 2 feet which are used for locomotion. And the circulatory system is present, and digestive system is also present in the form of the coiled tube. And phylum Coelenterata. These are the radiata, and mouth is surrounded by the tentacles, and this is found in Obeliu and in an animal order of Cephalopophora. And these are alternation of generation is present, which is known as the metagenesis, and larva is known as the planule. Then phylum Mollusca. The most common example is the slug, oyster, green snail, sea urchin, and these have body is soft and protected by calcium carbonate. These are coelomates, body covered by membrane which is known as mantle. Mouth in mouth cavity, kidney and anus opens. Anus and kidney opens in the mouth cavity. It respires through the gills. Phylum Arthropoda. It have most common example grasshopper, and excretion through Malpighian tubules, and fertilization is internal. Sexes are present in this one, and respiration takes place through the gills. Body cavity is hemocoel, and circulatory system is open. And then the skeleton is the exoskeleton. Phylum Aschelminthes. It's known as the nematoda, and these are the bilateria, and these have different classes which are the gastro, rotifera, nematoda, nematophores, and it's the largest class of the nematoda, and it's derived from the Greek word thread, and it also have the bilateral triploblastic symmetry. And cuticle is present which helps in protection. It don't have respiratory or circulatory system. And excretory system is well developed in these animals. Nervous system is present in the form of the nerves rings. Phylum Hemichordata. These are triploblastic, and body is divided into 3 regions, and digestive system is complete, and notochord is present in these animals. Then phylum Chordata, these are triploblastic, and chordata word is derived from the notochord, so notochord is present in these. And in higher chordata, dorsal staff is converted to vascular column. Nervous system is absent, is above the notochord. Above notochord, nervous system is present. Then phylum Porifera, it includes the parazoa. Pores are present, which are known as the ostia, commonly called sponges. Anterior body end is called osculum. Body cavity is spongiosol. Two layers are present. Flagella bring food and work as excretory organ. And foods are phytoplankton, zooplanktons, and 80% dead organic matter. Sessile excretion occurs. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो मेरी वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें ताकि मेरी आने वाली वीडियोस